Don't invest in an automatic car wash until you have finished watching this video. Are you interested in investing in an automatic car wash? If so, then stop for a moment because in this video, Go&Go will share you with you think that if not clearly understood, the investment amount can become a big loss. And on the contrary, if you prepare carefully, this can be an extremely attractive business model in the next 5 to 10 years. So don't rush to invest in automatic car wash until you have finished watching this video. First, let's look at the big picture. Vietnam currently has more than 5 million cars, and every year, this number increases by hundreds of thousands of new cars. People are increasingly well off. Cars are gradually become a popular means of transport, not a luxury like before. And of course, cars need to be washed regularly, at least 2 to 4 times a month. This creates a huge car wash service market, with revenue of 10,000 of billions each year. That is why automatic car washes are becoming a trend, like the story of washing machine many years ago. At first, everyone was used to wash by hand, but then one day, washing machine became indispensable in the family. Car washes will be the same, from manual to automatic. But great opportunities also mean great risk if you do not calculate carefully. Go&Go has made many investors when they first heard about the price bar, but when they started, they realized, oh, it turned out it's not as simple as I thought. And below are 4 common mistakes you need to avoid. The first mistake is thinking that if you buy a machine, customer will come to you. In reality, it's not like that. In the service business, the location determines 70% of success. No matter how modern the machine is, if it's placed in a remote place, far from the resident area, there will be very few customers. People who go to wash their car prioritize convenience. It is better to go to a normal car wash shop, but close to home, easy to get in and out, than to go drive far just to experience a modern machine. Therefore, the location factor is number 1, even more important than the machine. The second mistake is to only look at the price of the machine and forget to calculate the operating cost. Many people see an automatic car wash machine is expensive and think that's one of the point is done. But in fact, that's only the beginning. Each time you wash a car, the cost of electricity, water and chemical is only about 3 to 4 cents. But in addition, you also have to pay for the rent of the premises if there is none available. The cost of pulling 380 volt electricity, the cost of operating labor, and the initial marketing cost to let customers know. If you don't calculate enough, it's easy to fall into the situation of there is revenue, but there is not much profit left. This is the problem that many shop owners have encountered. The third mistake is not taking advantage of a low air service. The automatic car wash has a strong point. It's very fast, only 7 to 8 minutes for a car. That means customers don't have to wait long. But at the same time, if you only stop a car wash service, the profits will not be high. The good thing is that when customers come to your shop, you can completely increase revenue by upselling all the service, interior cleaning, nano coating, ceramic, paint polishing, traces and rim care. Even opening a small coffee or customer to wait. This is the big profit part that few people pay attention to. Many shops today do not make much profit from car wash, but mainly from the accompanying service. The fourth mistake is choosing the wrong supplier. It sounds simple, but this is the fatal point. The automatic car wash is the high-tech device operating continuously outdoor. If there is a problem without a warranty unit, quick support, just 1 day of machine downtime, you will lose a lot of revenue. In fact, many place sell machine and then abandon customer. To avoid this risk, you need to choose a unit that is the real demo machine, a clear warranty policy, and a technical team to accompany and support when needed. Don't be greedy for cheap price and end up being upset. So the question is, who should really invest in an automatic car wash? There is the 4 most suitable route. First, an owner of premises of 200 square meters or more, with a large frontage near residential area, market or supermarket. Second, a garage owner, car care center, those who already have regular customers and are looking to upgrade their brand to make a difference. Third, an investor with capital, wanting to build a change model and expand in future. And finally, for parking lot owner, shopping mall, supermarkets, places that already have a large number of vehicles coming in and out, just adding a car wash service will bring a significant share of revenue. Usage investing in automatic car wash is not just buying machine. It is the whole business model, requiring carefully calculation. You must have a suitable location, calculate the full cost, combine additional value as service, and importantly, choose the right reputable supplier. When all the factors converge, the chance of success is very high. Go&Go currently has a demo machine available at the factory. You can come directly to experience, test the machine, and get detailed advice on how to set up a model suitable for available space. Go&Go sincere advice is not to rush. Take the time to clean carefully. When you invest, you will be assured that your capital is put in the right place and generate sustainable profits. If you are interested in this model, please leave a comment or contact Go&Go directly. We are always ready to accompany you on your business journey to ensure that this investment not only brings profits but also create a sustainable service brand in the future.